Hello, Myrtle Beach, and all of my followers who watch my monthly market updates up north and who are dreaming of being Myrtle Beach residents. This is our monthly local market update for the 5 zip codes that make up Myrtle Beach: 29577, 29575, 29579, 29572, and 29588. Okay, as we know, this is all five of the zip codes right here, which I don't have time to go over. And as long as we're talking about that right now, I would like to ask people's feedback. What would you like me to report on more? I go over this, and I'm actually having some funnels, especially for those up north who don't know these areas and they're thinking about moving here. So I am doing that. Um, but I also want to know what else you'd like to learn about so I can help everyone. Okay, let's start here. 29577 for which is like the Market Common area. In January, we were at 492,898. So we're down in 29577, 468,093. And let's see, average days on market. Ooh, they went down a lot because we don't have the inventory that we had before. Although I can see we're climbing up. Average price per square foot, which is actually the highest it's been. So even though our price went down, our average price per square foot went up. And then the month supply is 2.2, so we're down just a hair from January. Um, Real close on 10 listings, different for active listings. Pending sales, we're down a little. Closed sales were up by 5 since January. 29575, which is around the Prestwick area of Myrtle Beach. And so they did, let's see, they are up. Wow, good for you guys. From January 371, 493, you're down from the last two or last, well, you're down from a couple months here since April, but you're up compared to January. So you're ahead of the game at 448, 292. Average days on market about the same as January, but your price went up significantly, so that's good. Let's see. Average price per square foot is at 179, up from January, down from some of the previous months, as you can see. Months of supply, 2.9, which is actually the highest. So we have a little more inventory there, but that's okay. Your price is at a good price point. So if you're thinking about selling or you need to sell, please give me a call. I'd love to go over all of my marketing with you. Let's see. Active listings were up by 9 from January. Let's see. My contacts are floating around. My eyes wrong. Okay. Pending sales were up 22 to 27, and we've actually doubled closings. So good for you on that one. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Myrtle Beach, which is Carolina Forest, the 29579. They are down from January from 526.50 to 451,640. Average days on market have been dropped a lot at 166 in January to 113 now. Average price per square foot is exactly the same as January. And then the months of supply, we dropped there because they're still doing a lot of building, but you'll see in the next column, 3.4 to 2.7. So the month of supply isn't there. And then we had 430 active listings in January, only 367, all new building out in that area, new construction. 138 pending, 150, so we're ahead there. And 96. Wow, look at all the closed sales. So people are still moving here despite the high interest rates, which reminds me that is one thing I am going to share. I was introduced from a colleague to a new lender. He's got some fabulous uh, financing out there for everybody, and he guarantees absolutely free refinancing for 5 years. So that's cool stuff. All right, 29572. which is the Grand Dunes area. We are down from January, 887,951 to 634,430. Average days on market dropped a lot, 227 to 101 because they're running low on inventory, even though that the price has dropped. Let's see. Wow. Okay, so this is the highest it's been. The price per square foot is at 266 per square foot, highest it's been this year. And months of supply has dropped from 3.3 to 2.5. Active listings have dropped from 71 in January to 47. Pending sales 21 to 13. Closed sales about the same. We actually had 2 more closed sales in the 29572. Then the last one for Myrtle Beach is 29588, which is like the 𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒏𝒅 area, out on 707. Covers a big area out there. So we're up. Good for you, 𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒏𝒅 area. From January 365, 756, we're now at 384, 820. Average days on market are down from 108 to 93. Average price per square foot is up $1 from, sorry. Shoot, I forgot to turn my phone off. Okay, let's see. Yep, so we're only up by 1. Months of supply were 2.4 to 2.9. 242 were down on active listings. Pending listings were down again from 109 to 93. And closed sales 76, but we're up 95 in that area. And you can see they're also building in this area out here too. 29588 still had a lot of farmland. It was probably the only area besides, well, it is Carolina Forest, the 29579, and this one 29588. So if you guys, everybody that's watching, including my my buyers from the north who are wanting to move down here, please let me know in the comments or send me a text message and let me know what you would like me to tell you more about. I've been doing this now for 23 and a half years. Besides the new financing that I have for buyers, I can share a lot more with sellers as well. So if you would please interact with me on any of my social media platforms to let me know, or give me a call at 843-222-7800. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next month. Take care.